When building Angular 2 applications, we have many language choices available to us. First, some background. The JavaScript language specification standard is officially called ECMAScript, or ES. Up until recently, the ES versions were defined by a sequential number. ES3 is supported by older browsers. ES5 is the version currently supported by most modern browsers. The ES6 specification was recently approved and renamed ES 2015. Most browsers don't yet support ES 2015, so ES 2015 code must first be transpiled to ES5. What does that mean? Code developed with ES 2015 must be compiled by a tool that converts the ES 2015 syntax to comparable ES5 syntax before the browser executes it. That way, we as developers get the benefits of the new ES 2015 productivity features, and the browsers still get code they understand. Since Angular is a JavaScript library, we could use any of the many compiled JavaScript languages to build our Angular 2 application. But the most common language choices for Angular 2 include the ES5 version of JavaScript. ES5 code runs in the browser today without transpilation, so no compile step is required. If we want to take advantage of some of the new ES 2015 features to improve our productivity, such as classes, the let statement, and arrow syntax, we can write our Angular 2 code using ES 2015. We then transpile our code to ES5 before running it. Another language option is TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript and must be transpiled. One of the key benefits of TypeScript is its strong typing, meaning that everything has a data type. Because of this strong typing, TypeScript has great tooling, including inline documentation, syntax checking, code navigation, and advanced refactorings. So TypeScript helps us better reason about our code. The Angular team itself takes advantage of these benefits and uses TypeScript to build Angular 2. Most of the demo code in the Angular documentation at present also uses TypeScript. For these reasons, TypeScript is the language of choice for many Angular 2 developers and is the language we use in this course. Dart is another option. It is a non-JavaScript-based language for building Angular 2 applications. Because we'll use TypeScript throughout this course, let's take a moment to look at what TypeScript is all about. TypeScript is an open-source language that is a superset of JavaScript and compiles to plain JavaScript through transpilation. It is strongly typed, so every variable, every function, and every function parameter can have a data type. How does TypeScript determine the appropriate types when using JavaScript libraries that are not strongly typed? By using TypeScript type definition files. These files contain the definition of each type in a library. These files are named with the library name .d.ts. TypeScript implements the ES 2015 class-based object orientation, plus more. It implements classes, interfaces, and inheritance. So if you have experience with an object-oriented programming language, such as C#, C++, or Java, using TypeScript may feel very natural to you. This course does not require any prior knowledge of TypeScript. I'll cover what you need as you need it. But if you want to learn more about TypeScript, check out the TypeScript Playground. This website allows you to do live coding with TypeScript, see the transpiled JavaScript, and run the result, all without installing anything. There are also several TypeScript courses in the Pluralsight library, including TypeScript Fundamentals, Angular with TypeScript, which walks through using TypeScript with Angular 1, and using ES6 with TypeScript, which details all of the new ES 2015 features such as let and arrow syntax. Again, you do not have to know TypeScript for this course. We'll learn it as we go. Now that we've selected TypeScript as our Angular 2 language, let's pick an appropriate code editor.